What if I told you, you can make $100 a day using just ChatGPT? Sounds crazy? Let me show you step by step. Right now, thousands of people are using AI to create content, write articles, and design business ideas. The best part? You don't need to be a tech genius. If you can type a question into ChatGPT, you already have the skill. Step 1. Offer simple services online. Go to Fiverr or Upwork, create a gig for blog writing, product descriptions, or even social media captions. Whenever a client orders, just use ChatGPT to generate the content, then polish it. Average pay, 10-50 per project. Do 3 to 4 tasks a day. You're at $100. Step 2. Sell digital products. You can use ChatGPT to write an ebook, a guide, or even templates. Upload them to Gumroad or Etsy, sell them again and again. This builds passive income, even while you sleep. Step 3. Content creation. ChatGPT can give you endless video scripts, quotes, and captions. Turn those into TikTok or YouTube shorts. With ad revenue plus sponsorships, this can scale beyond $100 per day. Listen, making $100 per day with ChatGPT is not a dream. It's about taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and scale. If you want more AI, money-making strategies, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Your success story starts today.